First we're going to turn the TV on. Okay, if you see this screen, that's good, we're in the right place. Now you're going to take your remote control and we can move left and right. We're going to go to live TV and then hit OK. Then on the side we have the Hindi is already okay. We're going to press the right button. Now we can pick which channel we want to watch. Go to Sony Entertainment, hit OK, and then wait, and hit OK again. And it's going to say play live TV, OK, press OK again. Now it's going to load. And then if you want to change the channel, then on the remote you press this one, it says back. It's going to take us back, and we go back, press it one more time, and now we can change the channel, go to different channel. When we got it, hit OK. It's going to say play live TV, okay, press OK again. And now it's working. If we want to go back to the main screen, press this one, it says home. Now it's back to the main screen. So again, we can move it to the movies, but you just want to leave it on live TV. Hit OK. And then here, it's on the last channel, we're going to hit back. Sometimes you just got to hit back. Now we're on the channels. You can change the channel again.